Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and we're gonna get right into this video. So here you are looking at my 13 jumbo sections for each twist, and we're just gonna hop right into this installation. So I use the Nala Tress hair, and I believe the color is 1B and 27. So I use 3 pieces of hair for each section. So what I'm doing here is I'm just fluffing the hair so that it can be as open and poofy as possible for this twist, because I do want the twist to have some sort of volume to it. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize each section of hair. So I'm just taking that down so that I can prepare it for the moisture, and I'm using something that I haven't used before, so it's like an olive oil cream, and I'll show that to you here shortly. So this is the ORS Organic Root Stimulator Olive Oil Cream, as well as Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel is what I'm going to be using for this entire installation. Y'all, I can't stress enough how good this hairstyle looks when your parts are very straight. My parts are not straight in the back, and of course that was not intentional, but it just kind of happened. I wasn't being very careful. In this style, I really was trying to do it quickly, and I only planned on wearing it for about a week. I just wanted my hair to be put away. But here we are with this first section. So again, part your sections nicely and this will look fabulous. Okay, so first, the 2 sections, we're going to put the hair in between the sections, and what you want to do here, it doesn't matter which way you twist, just twist them in the opposite directions. So as you can see, this one I'm kind of twisting upward first, and then this next one I'm going to twist downward, as you can see. So once you do that, the next step is just to twist them together and you'll have a seamless rope twist. It's that simple, y'all. You can do this, try it yourself, and I promise you, you can get the hang of it. Okay, so finish out that twist and you have your first section done. Looks nice and neat. So we're going to go ahead and see this again. So you split your hair into 2 sections, and then the extension hair goes between that, just like we did earlier, and you're going to twist in opposite directions. So each section gets its own direction. This one I'm going down as I'm twisting this one, and then you're going to twist the other side upward. So in the opposite direction, twisting up. Okay, and I do apologize if this isn't in frame very well, but you do see what I'm doing, and then once you've twisted upward, you're going to twist together. There you go. You've got your rope started, and then you just want to finish that twist out by twisting it on down. Look at that, it's seamless, as you can see. Y'all, I do have to tell you that the ends of this hair can be very dry, so sometimes it does come apart, and you can kind of combat that by putting oil on it as you twist all the way down. So as you can see, the front of this is looking very nice and very neat. It is seamless, beautiful jumbo sections. Y'all, get into it and DIY it, honey. So let me show you what I did with the back here. I actually went ahead and crocheted the back section of my hair. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get the hair in each section. So we're going to start with the crochet hook or needle, and you want to go ahead and insert that hair. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and twist normally, guys. So pull that hair through, make sure that it's even so that your twist and the end of it ends up looking very nice and uniform, since we do have two-toned hair here. So we're just going to get those sections and split that middle section, which is my natural hair, and just start to twist, y'all. As you can see, my natural hair is a little swollen, so it's kind of puffy. So as I'm twisting down, I'm kind of stretching my natural hair out in an effort to keep it in the twist and have it look more uniform. So I'm just doing that until I'm done twisting past my natural hair. And then y'all can just zoom through that twist. Okay, honeys, and we are here. So this is the finished style for my jumbo section, large twists. And again, my back sections are not straight, but y'all do not do as I do, do as I say. Get that mirror, straighten those parts, and your hair will look fabulous. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, love, and a whole lot of light. Bye.